Hello, students. How are you doing? This is Dr. Solomon just checking in on you. Here we have a picture of the calendar, the course calendar from the syllabus, and I wanted to look at it a little bit to kind of help you with getting started in the course. You'll see we are already on week 3. And you can tell it's week 3 by the left-hand side where you can go by the dates and look at that so you know exactly where we are. It's actually week 2 of module 1, however, because our first week was just for orientating ourselves to the class and also getting into Slack. One thing I do want to caution you about is that if you see anything about a project called Read with the RAM, that's something that should have been erased, and I will try to chase it down if you'll let me know. But we are not doing that project this year. Our only big project is the 30 book challenge, where you're going to read and respond to 30 books in total. And you can see along the right-hand side that it kind of keeps you on track. So you need to read and respond to 12 books by 2/24, by February 24th. But before we get to that, let's look at week 3 here, which is also week 2 of module 1. That's where we have our task where we are now. It talks about study teams and 5 historical fun facts. You get the historical ideas for which book to choose from the Tennell article, and you can get that under projects and readings on Blackboard. Okay, and you're going to use Padlet to record your fun facts. People have asked where you find what team you're on. Well, that's going to come from the group button on Blackboard. I put up your test is probably only supposed to go up on Friday of the second week, but I actually put it up already. But it's not due until next week, so it won't be due until 2/10. Okay. And you're going to notice that each of the modules kind of have the same format, where the first week of the module is kind of read and discussion boards. Your second week is something that you'll do together most of the time, like a team activity where you compile something together. And the third one will be a project. Okay, so if we look ahead to week 4, which is next week, your module project is to make a Padlet account, and most of you already have done that. And you're going to post your first book response. And we're going to be looking at what those responses should be in next week as well. So I just wanted to get on here and encourage you. You're doing great. Some of you are really good about, starting on the weekend, and you really don't have to. Most things are due during the week, but y'all are doing great. Enjoyed seeing you on Slack. Anytime you have a question, that's a good spot for you to ask your question. That way, if other people have that same question, they'll see your question and the answer, or they can answer it before I get to it. Maybe sometime I'm away from my computer or my phone and I don't see your question, and somebody else can help you out before I get to it. So again, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on Slack, see you on Blackboard. All right. And feel free to come by my office during office hours. All right. Bye-bye.